Alright, this is Leo with Anytime Carpet and Floor Cleaning out of Tampa, Florida. And we have some VCT today. It's a pet hospital here. And you can see the VCT is in bad shape. There is some finish on this floor, so that's a good thing. So it should look good once it's done. And I just got my stripper made up. I'm going to start my way from the back. I'm going to start back here and then work my way out to the front. It's not that big of an area, probably less than 1,000 square feet. But yep, let's go to town. Step one, got the stripper made up. I use warm water. I think that helps breaking the old wax down. So let's go ahead and apply that. All right guys, so working on this side now. Adding some stripper. I like to use this gallon here. That way I don't put my mop inside of the stripper. I use the mop to spread the solution, and it doesn't dilute my stripper, so stays nice and strong. So I'll go ahead and soak this whole thing down and start scrubbing. Alright, so I'm neutralizing the floor now. Everything's looking good so far. Yep, got all the corners looking good. Old wax is all up. It's looking good, almost ready for wax. So we have the second coat of wax. Floor is nice and clean. It's taken about an hour to dry. There's 2 units. So I just got the other one up and running. So should take about 45 minutes to an hour to dry. And we're on to the next coat. Stay tuned. What a difference.